Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own hand sanitizers. In these times that we're in, hand sanitizer is just a must-have. It is easy to do, really quick, and just anybody can do it. And if you stick around until the end of this video, I'm going to show you a proper way to really sanitize your hand. It's not enough to just have the hand sanitizer. You have to be sanitizing your hands correctly. So let's get into this video and I hope you enjoy it. Make sure that you stay safe and we will get through this. In the meantime, just stay safe, okay? So here's what we need: spirit and hydrogen peroxide, glycerin, water, which is mostly free, and it would be nice to have those measuring cups and spoons, and that filter over there. That is the spirit up close. I'm sure it's called something else, but that is the hydrogen peroxide and that is the glycerin. And yeah, the filter again is just to have a place to mix everything and shake it up when we're all done. And yeah, the measuring cup and spoon. The cup is about 250 ml and the smaller spoon is a teaspoon, which is 5 ml, and the bigger spoon is a tablespoon, which is about 15 ml. So you want to start by opening up the spirit and just turning all of it, which is about 250 ml, and that's literally all of it really. And you move it onto up and take a generous amount and pour it into your palm like that. And you want to take your fingers and dip them into the sanitizer just so you get into your fingernails, and you turn it onto your other palm and do the same, so you get into your other nails, and now you rub it over your palm just like that, and now in between your fingers just like that, and moving on to the back of your hand just as you see me do. And it's easy to forget the thumb, so you don't want to forget that. You want to pay attention to those. And just one more step to go. You want to apply to your wrist as well, and you are all clean. You are as clean as that. Alright.
1 cup of this.
Stay safe and stay healthy.
I cannot pronounce it. Alcohol isopropyl. Okay.